Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys doing absolutely fine. Friends, today I am going to show you how you can make money from blogger doing Cpa marketing. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it now and join our Facebook group Premium Share to get secret tips and tools every day. First, you need a publisher account in Cpa network. Here I'm using a brand new cpagrip account. So after logging successfully, scroll down and click on that monetization tool and select that file locker option. Now accept their terms and service. Here you can choose which template you like. Now here you can work with three categories. You can work with games, movies, or softwares. So if you want to work with games, then simply visit Google and search for popular games. Now you can see we have a big list of games. So you need to find out which game is on trend and people are searching for that games. To get that information, visit Google Trends and search for that specific game. Look here. GTA 5 is a well-known keyword topic, and people are search for this keyword from two major cities in USA. Now visit this site called cheatcode.com, and here you will able to find many games guidelines and cheats according to different gaming platforms. Then copy the codes and save it in your Google Doc. Click on share and get a shareable link. Let's see it's work or not. Okay, the link is working very nice. Now you have to paste the link in your cpagrip file locker. Here, change your header text and campaign title with the same name on that file. Remember to make the landing page easy and human friendly so that no one can blame or judge it as fake or wrong page. Now go to Advanced tab and change that file size. Okay, after all done, click on the create button. You can choose from here which domain option you like. Now visit blogger.com and create a new blog. You can name that blog whatever you like. Now scroll down and click on that theme button and select HTML. Here you have to find that closing header text. Like the okay. First, let's check our blog site. Looking fine. Nothing here. It's a simple page only. Okay, let's get back to the HTML section. Here you have to input a simple meta tag to redirect your blog direct into your cpagrip landing page. So for that you have to visit easynick.me and here copy that code. This page link I will give in this video description. Now paste that code under that closing tag of header section. Change that URL with your offer page link, what you create earlier. Then save it. And now let's see how it looks. Okay, you can see whenever we try to visit our blog site, we redirect to our Cpa landing page. So whenever someone click on the download button, they will get 3 offers, and if they complete one of that simple offer, they will able to download their desired file, and as well you will able to earn lead or $1 in your Cpa Grip account. If you can do the same task with movies, so for that visit a site called firststring.com and go to schedule and get that recent movie name and find it in Google like this. Okay, after getting that movie link, do the same task what you did with game. Here if you want you can change that file size and also give an image here to get promising landing page. Visit image baby and upload your image file and copy that full HTML link and replace it here in this image source text. Refresh the tab and see how it looks now. So you can do the same task with apps and softwares. Visit the site giveaway of the day. This site gives you free softwares every day, so get any premium software, download link and make a file logger for you. Okay, so now here are a question is how and where to promote that blog URL. So if you work with game, then join those game groups in Facebook. Here we select GTA 5, so we are going to search GTA 5 game Facebook groups and join all help discussion groups. Same goes for movies as well. And you can also promote these blog sites to related to those games and movies. If you want, you can promote that in YouTube. Make a simple YouTube video with image of that movie or game and give title same as your offer and make video, then promote that video in Facebook group and question sites like Quora, where people search for that game topic and movies. So my friends, that's all for today. Hope you guys like this video and comment below if you want more like this. See you soon in the next video. Have a great day.